Fitting the Ascend Nasal Mask is easy. Begin by removing the lower strap from the quick release hook. Check the instructions for use if the headgear is not already attached to your Ascend mask. Slip the headgear over your head and reconnect the lower strap onto the quick release hook. Check that the headgear is positioned evenly around your head. Adjust the bottom headgear straps first and ensure the bottom of the cushion sits comfortably just above your upper lip. The gel should not obstruct the nares. Use the upper straps to adjust the top of the headgear. The top portion of the cushion should be midway on your nose, and you should not feel pressure on the bridge of your nose. The touchless spacebar should not touch your forehead. Connect the mask tubing assembly and turn the device on the prescribed pressure. To remove the mask, move the lower strap from the quick release hook and lift it off your face.